is a grade 9 geometric construction question, and we want to construct an equilateral triangle ABC with side 8 centimeters. So first of all, you need to know that an equilateral triangle is just a three-sided polygon which has all the three sides the same. So on the plain paper, we are going to measure 8 centimeters and draw a line centimeters and label it AB. Now, using a compass, we are going to measure 8 centimeters and place the pin on one end of the line and draw an arc, just a small arc, and lift the compass, and on the other end another arc which is going to intersect with the previous one. Using a ruler, we are going to connect the intersecting point to the ends of the first line as follows. The next question says bisect angle BAC and angle ABC and let the angle bisectors meet at O. Now, to bisect an angle, you open the compass with any radius and draw an arc in that order. With the same radius, you put your compass on points where the first arc crosses the line coming from A and the other one going to A and the other one going to B, and you connect the points, meaning that you have bisected the angle. Bisecting an angle just means dividing the angle in half. So we are going to do the same with the angle at point B and connect all those points. So that is question 2, and we are going to label the intersecting point as O. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular line from O, the center O, to the side AB, and label the point where the perpendicular meets AB as D. Now, because this is an equilateral triangle and we have bisected two angles A and B, it means that the line which is going to pass at the center and cross AB with an angle 90 which is perpendicular, it is just going to pass on the center, and meaning that this line is bisecting AB. So to bisect a line, just put your compass at one point and open with the radius more than half of that line and draw the arc on either sides, and do the same on the other side and just connect the lines as that. Now, with center O, draw a circle with which touches the three sides of the triangle ABC. So we just put the compass on the center and then open with the radius from the center to any of the end points and just draw the circle. Then we are done. Thank you for watching.